Okay, in this video, I'm gonna just share with you two things. One is being how to create Telegram group and how to join. Number two is being how to join Telegram group. So first of all, I will show you how to create Telegram group. As you know, before I made a video about Telegram, I have already made a video about how to create Telegram channel. If you want to, if you have desire for knowing how to create channel of Telegram, you can watch my previous video that has on my channel existing right now. So I won't waste your time. I just going through my video process. So I'm hoping you keep attention and you gain something from this video. So first of all, for creating group Telegram group, you need to click on your Telegram apps, and inside your Telegram apps you see this type of thing, and here right below option, pen option and camera option, you need to click on pen option, and here is a three option: new group, new secret chat and new channel. So as you already know, today's topic is new group. I will show you how to create group. So click on there, and here is your all of list, show which person you want to add from your channel. So that's related to your contact number, that's on your phone number. So new group up to 2 million members, something like that, you can add on your one group. So I'm just showing you how to create that. So I'm just click on right below option, something like tick option. Some you need to click on there. So I will click on there, and here you need to put your group name, which kind of group you want to create, what's would be group name, what's kind of name you would be keep on your group name. So I'm just showing you something like, okay, football type of group, sports type of group, and if you want to add any picture, you can add here. So I'm just showing you, I have just this one, it's not related to that, so I'm just showing you how to create that. So football, and right below another option you can see tick option, click on there and your group created, done. It's easy to be straightforward. Telegram means if you thought about Telegram is complicated, it's wrong. Telegram mean it's easy to create, all of thing is easy. So if you want to add any member, you need to click on there or copy invite link, and if you send this group link any place, people just click on there and add your group easily. Like it's your Telegram group link. If I click on there, I'm immediately inside your group. So right now I have finished my one step how to create Telegram group. And second thing, I will I will teach you how to join Telegram group that's valuable for you. And like some people want to know about how to speak English with foreign people. That's I want to improve my English, and how to get valuable premium thing from Telegram group. So you can easily find this type of thing. You just open your Google, and here you need to search just like, if you want to join football type of group, you need to click on their football Telegram group. So I'm just searched on Google, and here is a lot of channel you will get, and you need to just click on any On here just you have seen that 7,317 people here. You need to click on just here, and immediately this link will take you inside of Telegram. So I'm just click on there, and here we say football and FPL. If I join there, it's immediately I have joined. So all kind of football related video they are putting on this group, so it's easy to do, straightforward, and all of update they're putting on here. So I know you get something from this video, and some somewhat something I have forget. There's a private group, how to join on private group. When you join private group, it's you need to groups admin, private groups admin, it's know that if he want put you link, send you link their one group, you can join, you can able to join. Neither you cannot, because of it's just private groups power has just groups admin. No on no on can copy private groups and link. So just group admins can do that, can able to do that. Neither no on can do that. Okay, if I see you how to join private group, so I'm just so it's has a time, like it's might be 1 minute stay existent, and thereafter it's expired link, because group admin is just says a few minutes for joining their private group. Private group is available like premium thing they are putting. It's valuable group, I would say. Therefore they are, it's will keep private. So here is a link, next summit. So if you click on this group here, you request to join the private channel. So request to join channel, you need to click on there. So if he request accept, you can immediately inside this group. Neither no, because of it's a private group. You need to take admin permission. If admin accept you, you can inside this group immediately. So this link will expire few minutes later. So I have joined already that this group, this channel. So I have finished 2 step: create Telegram group and how to join Telegram group. So I hope you will get, I hope you already got something from my video. I'm hoping you will stay watching my video always continuously. It's my hoping, and see you later. Until that, happy hunting.